So about 3 years ago, my mother was diagnosed with cancer, and that's the time I actually interacted very closely with our healthcare system in the US and realized how terribly broken it was. I met a ton of people who actually were foregoing treatment because they just couldn't afford it. A ton of uninsured people and a lot of underinsured people as well. And that's when I started to think that there has to be a solution to this issue. Our company actually offers offshore services to help patients from the US find locations elsewhere overseas for treatment. So what we offer them is a provider network that has been tried and tested and completely evaluated by us. These are hospitals that are absolutely stellar, providing not only affordable healthcare, but the highest quality healthcare, sometimes even better than what you can get in the US.
This is a 250-bedded hospital where we treat a lot of patients who come in for Birmingham hip replacement. We have an exclusive floor, which is called the Platinum Ward, where we have at least 3 patients from the US at any given point of time.
So there are 3 key drivers that are fueling this trend. It's affordability, it's availability, and it's quality. For affordability, people are traveling to other countries because they can't afford the care in their own country. There are people who are traveling because quality healthcare is not available in their home countries. And then there are people who are traveling because there's just very long wait times to get the care that they need in their home countries.
We run here a brand new hospital, about a year old, which is 260 beds of what we think is the best technology and the best people to deliver the best healthcare anywhere in the world. And the reason to be able to say that is an increasingly important opportunity that is developing, at least in this part of the world, to be the provider for healthcare to people not just in this region, but pretty much all over the world.
Globalization is here in full force. I experienced it very closely when we were in the IT world, and we're seeing the same thing happening now in healthcare, where there are centers of competency that are emerging in different parts of the world, and there are people that can access it from anywhere. So we're really fortunate. My mother's doing well now, knock on wood. But I laughingly say that if only she's been cured of her cancer, but if she just knew how much it costs to cure her, she would die of a heart attack.